Okay, let's take a look at the websites, the roster, and the schedule. Websites, no big deal here. These are just the key ESPN sites that the data base is populated from. Also, you have a link over to my website. I would show you the link, but unfortunately, creating this video, I'm not online. But straightforward, you just click and you'll go over to the associated website. Under the roster, you can update the full player list, and again, that's parsing the data. You can update the injury status, or you can display the roster. So let's look at displaying. So the roster would come up, and as you can scroll down and you see the teams, the player identification number, and the player name. You can do things like, well, you can certainly sort on the player's name. You can pick a team. Let's say you're going to go with the Flyers here. You go click. Here's Philadelphia. What you can display all again. If you sort on the injury column, then all the players that have some sort of injury will be displayed. You can look at a glossary. Again, that'll show it in a web format, or actually a PDF format. I'm sorry. And there's a large glossary of what do you call it? Definitions for various values. Uh, Again, you can display all again. And then under the schedule, you can again parse, and then you can display. So let's look at display. Here's the schedule. Again, you can sort by team, or you can pick a team. There's the Flyers again. What else? You can, and here you can see you have the team, the opponent, and the game. Let's go ahead and sort by descending. So we'll look at the last set of games. So the season ends here in April. But you can see that the team name and when, for example, the Phillies are away or home. Okay? Again, you can display all your team, or you can pick a team, as I said earlier. And that's all I wanted to show you on the websites, the roster, and the schedule.